Hey everyone. Um, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the TurboTax filing rejected issue quickly. Yeah, if your tax return gets rejected after submission, it can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to file on time. But most of the time, it's actually easy to fix once you check a few key details. So first, look at the rejection code or message provided by TurboTax. This tells you exactly why your return was rejected, so understanding it is the first step to fixing the issue. Next, carefully review your personal information. Uh, Make sure your name, social security number, and date of birth match exactly with IRS records. Even a small mismatch can cause rejection. After that, check your filing status and dependent information. Incorrect entries or duplicate claims, especially if someone else already claimed a dependent, can trigger a rejection. Also, verify your adjusted gross income or AGI from last year. Yeah, if the AGI doesn't match IRS records, your e-file can be rejected, so enter it exactly as filed previously. And yeah, make sure your TurboTax software is fully updated. Updates fix bugs and ensure your return meets current IRS requirements. Finally, once everything is corrected, resubmit your return. Most of the time, these steps will resolve the issue and your filing will go through successfully. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.